A middle school in Worcester is one of the first in Ohio to start vaccinating 12 to 15-year-old students, after the Food and Drug Administration authorized the Pfizer vaccine for adolescents last week. The school is partnering with Akron Children's Hospital to administer the COVID-19 vaccines. I'm IdeaStream's Anna Huntsman, and I was there as the first group of preteens lined up in the school's library to get the shot. While the library at Edgewood Middle School in Worcester is normally a quiet place, it was recently abuzz with students waiting eagerly to get COVID-19 vaccines. Librarian sub Denise Otto passes out activities for the students while they wait.
Would you like a word search?
No, thank you.
Would you like kind of keep their mind off it or just to pass the time?
The library is the site of one of the in-school vaccine clinics run by Akron Children's Hospital for students aged 12 to 15.
Do you want me to count down for you?
13-year-old 7th grader Malia Brown is one of the first up to get the shot.
Getting the shot felt fine. It wasn't scary or anything, but it also felt like a little bit of relief.
7th graders Tommy Wilds and John Clay are also in line and have a variety of reasons for getting vaccinated.
Playing out with friends, having more longer sports seasons, going to camp, stuff like that.
So we can all just hang out and just have fun without masks.
For Brown, getting the shot also means feeling safer at home.
My dad is a diabetic, so we've been having to be very careful with who we interact with and wearing masks and everything.
7th grader Kaisa Davis says some students are not as eager, and most of her friends aren't getting the shot.
They were kind of laughing because I was getting it, but no matter really what people say about it, it's a vaccination. It's going to help me not catch COVID. So if you guys want to get sick, you guys can get sick, but I'm going to stay COVID free.
Akron Children's Hospital Director of School Health Michelle Wilmuth says they partnered with more than 20 schools across Northeast Ohio to administer vaccines when teens 16 and up became eligible at the end of March. So it was a natural extension of that partnership to start including the younger kids in the program.
We can do it, and we have done it in gyms. We're doing it in a classroom. We've done it in a small clinic. We can do it as a drive-by. We're flexible, and every school in the whole environment is different.
She says some students have declined due to uncertainty about the vaccines, and many have expressed concern that they were developed too quickly.
We go back to the science and talk about how it appears that it was rushed, and it actually wasn't rushed. It's just that we had plenty of resources and government support and able to do the same scientific process for developing the vaccine that we always had.
Wilmuth says the vaccination team is currently giving out second doses to the older students and offering first doses to the younger students now eligible. But not all districts are holding in-school clinics. Jennifer Dodd, director of the Educational Service Center in Northeast Ohio that serves Cuyahoga and other Cleveland area counties, says student turnout for the vaccines has been lower than anticipated for the older students. That's the main reason they are not planning in-school clinics for this younger age group. Instead, they'll partner with pharmacies such as Giant Eagle.
They will end up spending 4 hours in that school district to set up, serve those students, take down. But those 4 hours instead in a store that is in between, let's say, 5 different districts, you could use that 4 hours to get to 500 students. And more people have access then to that site.
You did awesome.
While some middle schoolers at Edgewood did say they were a little nervous about the vaccines being so new, most said the risks outweighed the benefits. Brown says she thinks it's imperative for her adolescent peers to get the shot.
Not just protecting yourself, but it also protects others when you're getting vaccinated, and that's pretty important.
She also says she's most looking forward to having her 14th birthday party next year, after she had to miss both her 12th and 13th due to the pandemic.
I want to go to a trampoline park, and I would like to have a sleepover.
A simple plan, but one she'll have waited for nearly 2 years since the pandemic began. Anna Huntsman, 90.3 WCPN.